How to fix limited access in Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix limited access in Discord. So first thing what you want to do is just head over to any of your browser and just search in for support.discord.com. So once you head over to this page, just click on the search bar and just search in for limited access. So once you search in for limited access just like this, it will pop up a limited access fact. So just tap on it and you'll be heading over to this page where you can actually know how the limited access occurs, or so you can read it out all of this. And to fix your issue, you have to finally scroll all the way down until you see the submit a ticket or here button over here. Just tap on this here button and you'll be heading over to this page where you will have to provide your actual email address inside here, this email button over here, and then in the subject just type in for limited access. And once you do that, just inside the description you have to describe your issue. So once you describe your limited access issue to them, you can also attach a file if you want, and just click on submit. And once you click on submit, the teams will look forward to your email and account and this will fix it. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.